I would like to say welcome back because I hope that you're back, but if this is your first time here, my name is Imani. We are constructing a frontal unit for small heads. This is the cap I'm using. I will have details below. I am using a styrofoam head and it doesn't really affect the actual sizing of the unit, and I am folding it up and pinning it down to make sure that it stays. I'm sure you've seen a million frontal videos, so secure your frontal. Make sure that the back of the frontal is flush and as flat as possible. You don't want the front of the frontal to be flat. You want the back of the frontal to be flat. I am starting the process with my first weft. The way that I do my wigs are the same way that I do my sew-ins. I insert my thread through the weft initially for 1 or 2 stitches, and then I proceed to go around the weft. So I am cutting these wefts because I choose to, and as you can see right here, I am going just a tad bit into the frontal, not at the end of the frontal, so that when it falls, there's no type of gap or any type of awkward situation going on. The first 2 wefts, I'm going to go side to side, and I'm just gonna go side to side, girl. You see what I'm doing, girl. Just go side to side. Around my 3rd or 4th weft, it will start to slightly turn into maybe a C shape, a lazy C. We'll say a lazy C shape. I am doubling as well as not doubling, so I'll double like the 2 rows, and then I won't double, and then I'll double, and then I won't double. This is a 20-inch frontal, and the 2 bundles of 22-inch, and the hair is from She's Happy Hair, if that matters to you at all. As you can see, some places of the cap, you see there is a little bit of gathering. I'm not concerned with that, particularly with this unit, because it is for someone with a small head, so it won't affect the fit of the actual unit. Now, if it was someone with a fairly large head, or a normal size head, I should say, then I would be more concerned, but I'm not concerned at all because it's going to fit her and it's going to fit her properly. So I just had to put that out there. Again, you guys have watched so many frontal videos. I'm almost 1,000,000,000 gazillion% sure. So I am just going to sew up, and I'm going to sew up until I get to the very end where the last weft will meet the frontal, and I will be able to kind of connect them together, if I shall say. And then we will be able to go from there. I am not leaving much gaps or spaces in between the wefts, especially at the top, because I want it to not be gappy and not be spacey. I don't know. You understand, right, sis? Right? Okay. Get to the end, we're going to close it off, and then we are going to, of course, cut the cap off from under the frontal. And this is what we have. We have a frontal wig / unit, i.e. unit for a very beautiful brown girl. So thank you so much for being here, and please stay tuned because you'll see how she's rocking it, and you'll see that she is laying and slaying this unit. I appreciate you watching my videos, and I would appreciate it even more if you would like this video. You can even comment if you want, subscribe if you are vibing with me, and come back because your girl is gonna bring some more heat to you. Thank you again. Have a good day. Mwah. I just want it all. I just want a ball. Designer on my job. I've been dripping sauce. I just want a ball. She wanna fuck with a boss, ayy. I just been dripping the sauce, ayy. I spend a lot of my draws, ayy. I do not fuck with Lacoste, ayy. Might fuck a bitch on an off day. Rockin' Versace and ball, man. I do not care what it costs, man. I put them racks in the bar, ayy. Them niggas all talk. Pull up, we hop out. 30 round my bow. Standards and glass out. I ain't with nothing but vultures. Wedding band rings, I shine at the altar, ayy. She fuck with nothing but buses. Drip till I'm dead, supreme on my coffin, ayy. Only eat with who I starve with. Designer drip all on the carpet. Them niggas cannot keep up. I got my feet up, 17 out the carbon. I just wanna ball. Designer on